We're so excited today. We announced $1 million gift from Bank of America to support the construction of a new Woodson Park Academy, which is an Atlanta public school that will be a model for a whole new kind of partnership between Atlanta public schools and really Civic Atlanta, with Grove Park Foundation acting as your first kind of community partner in this role.
So we announced today $1 million commitment, a grant, an anchor grant to the Grove Park Foundation in support of the capital campaign that they're launching. And that capital campaign is going to build a new K-8 school. It's also going to have a health clinic, and then there will be a YMCA.
We are trying to rebuild the heart and the core of a neighborhood, and that's people's hearts and people's minds and their families and their children.
It's such an incredible investment. Atlanta Public Schools we feel like we're doing our part to really help with the revitalization effort. We're going to put $18.5 million of bricks and mortar into the education design and the building itself.
So economic mobility is something that's really important to us in Atlanta. This is a really hard place to be poor. And if you're a kid born into a family of poverty, you have a 4.5% shot that you're going to get to the top. And we just feel like in Atlanta, we can do a lot better. Atlanta is a city that's thriving. There's a lot of prosperity. There's a lot of growth right now, but not everybody's benefiting from that. And so we want to find ways that we can disrupt that, and we can make investments that are going to change the trajectory of a community and of families and of kids for years to come. And this kind of project is absolutely the way we get after it, because we're starting with education, and we believe education, you solve education, you fix everything else.